Is your productivity stopped because localized execution entry point can't find the run32 Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's identify the gap and fix it with an automated solution. Before diving into the manual fix for Run32 Library, note the official maintenance resource linked below for system synchronization. This is the Run32 Library, a non-standard naming convention often used by localized malware cleaning tools or legacy game repacks to emulate the behavior of the system's run32.exe. It manages the localized execution of internal DLL functions. Its absence usually indicates a broken shortcut or an incomplete cleanup of a third-party utility. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Since Run32 Library DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the Localized Execution Entry Point Toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application, where you received the error, is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Run32 library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for Run32 Library DLL, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. The diagnostic utility referenced below offers general information for managing Run32 Library and maintaining system health. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Run32 Library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.